So I'm sure most of you already know how to average in Excel, but there are a couple of little tricks that might make it faster for you. So I thought I'd just throw it in here anyway. So to average numbers, I'm just going to highlight the numbers. And if I want the number in the cell beside average, I'm just going to include that as well. I go up to the sigma and click on the drop-down menu and click average, and it's going to give me my average. I could do the same thing for all the other columns as well, but I can also go in and grab this little box at the bottom and pull that formula across, and then I don't have to do that. So it averages out everything for me. Now, while I've got my numbers there, I've got all these decimals, and I don't need all of those. So I'm going to come back over here to home, and I'm going to look here where it says general, because this is where my number formats are, and I'm just going to pick a number format. You see it's giving me 2 decimal places. So now I've got an average of what the students' grades were on quiz 1, what they were on homework 1, quiz 2, and projects. If I wanted to do each student's grades, I would average over from left to right. So I'm just going to drag those numbers over to where it says student average. Click on the drop-down arrow by the sigma and say average. And then I'll just click off of it. And when I come back to it and drag down, that's going to give me each student's grade point average.